Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's happening, people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Now the lineups are up. Kotoko will face Nouadhibo FC in Mauritania. I'm going to read out the lineups for you. For those of you that haven't seen the lineup, I'm going to read out for you. Kwame Ba is back in post because of Felix Annan injury against Bergum Chelsea. Razak Abalora is on the bench. Then we also have Christopher Nete at the right back as usual. Aimor Ibrahim at the left back as usual. Abdul Ganiu, Yusuf Mubarak in the centre back. Habib Mohammed couldn't make the trip because he's suspended. I think this will be the last game. He'll be definitely available for the game, the return leg in Accra. So Habib Mohammed is out. He didn't travel the squad. Then we go to the midfield. We have Idom Frimpong, Emmanuel Keke. They are the wings, left and right wings. We have Godfrey Siema and Emmanuel Jimfi. Then up front we have Osman Ibrahim and Kwame Opoku. 4-4-2 formation with two strikers up front. It's going to be a very, very crucial game, and I think Osman Ibrahim has the opportunity to prove to the coach why he's been playing him, because he played, I think he's featured in all our games this season. So I think Osman Ibrahim is one of my favorite players at Kotoko, if not my favorite player. So he has a lot to prove to the coach. So today is a very good opportunity to cement his spots in the team. If today's formation or today's starting lineup works, it means Max Ekonede will maintain this particular starting lineups for our next games in the Ghana Premier League and in African competition. So I hope it works out for Osman Ibrahim and Kwame Opoku. I am predicting a goal for Kwame Opoku because I'm thinking that guy will score again. He has the eye for goal only if he receives service. So if Godfrey Siema and Emmanuel Jimfi will be very, very good today, I'm sure they are going to supply passes and create chances for Osman Ibrahim and Kwame Opoku up front. Then talk about the defense. Christopher Nete, he's very good. I just hope Aimor Ibrahim has the opportunity to run forward, create chances, and make things work in the up front. That's adding to attack and also adding to the defense. Then Kwame Ba, all of you saw the goal they scored against Emmanuel Cloete scored against Kotoko when Felix Annan got injured. He just shifted from his position and the free kick went in the dying moment. I hope he doesn't make that kind of mistake again. I hope he puts out an impressive performance against Nouadhibo FC today in the CAF Champions League. I'll see you guys when the game ends. We talk about the game when it ends, and I'll also be uploading more content. So if you're new here, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell. My name is Clinton. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.